It's another beautiful day here on Fraser. Just emerged. I think it's 6 AM. Magic time of the day. And yeah, we just sort of had our first, well, we definitely had the visitors in our campsite last night. There's been a couple of dingoes hanging around, and I saw their paw prints this morning, and yeah, they took off with my with our coffee bag, which we had on the table and didn't put away last night, yeah, one's picked that up and taken it over into the bushes and given it what for. So cheeky buggers. That's the bag there. Yeah, so there'll be some pretty highly strung dingoes getting around Fraser Island today, I think, after they consumed about 2 or 3 coffee packets. So I assume it's the sugar in the coffee there. These coffee packets that we use probably got some sugar in them. Oh well, we can learn. What is it, Wednesday morning?
Wednesday morning.
We're off to Sandy Cape via
Far north as we can get.
Ngkala Rocks. So should be a cool day.
Yeah.
Onwards.
So we've reached South Ngkala Rocks. The boys are gonna have a crack at going through track. See how we go. No vehicles beyond this point. Okay, so we've got a bit of a pond. South Ngkala Rocks. And we do it.
Much wider. Ah, one of those F2 soft, like it actually, where it flattens out, it's super soft.
You're on the other side.
got caught up.
Yeah, it tried to grab second and it was like, nah, stopped.
Yeah,
So I
right.
tried to reverse and it just fucking
Yeah.
like dozing with the tank at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit to go.
How's the rest of it?
Yeah, you wanna get your speed back up again. So it's flat here, and there's another rise around that corner.
You want to ride?
Oh,
Won't take much to move that if you want.
I'm alright.
Well, reached the Sandy Cape, northern end of Fraser.
Well, we made it, Sandy Cape, and it's pretty gorgeous, you gotta say.
Only if you go for a swim.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Might have a cheeky swim.
Might have a cheeky swim. Well, this is as far as we could go at the moment anyway, until the tide goes down. And then I think you might be able to get around, but...
Made it to Sandy Cape, northern end of Fraser. As far as we can go. Bloody nice. There's a camping zone here, but it's closed off at the moment because of all the erosion. But we're going to go for a walk anyway, see if we can get to the lighthouse, which would be nice.
are at the infamous Ngkala Rocks with a bit of a queue. Someone's stuck on the track and we're all waiting to get a turn. That's what happens when we all leave at the same time, I suppose, but no, it's all part of the fun.
Nice work.
Hey?
Nice work.
Yeah. Didn't make it look like stopping. Yeah, right. Perfect.
Beautiful.
How'd you go?
Yeah. Nice, you get barren through. Get the moon in it. I was in third on the approach, and then as I approached that pinch, hit the whoopsie straight back to second and just jammed around. So thank God.
I had a little bit of third on the flat beach and I just went, nah, fucking second all the way. Yeah. And sitting on like 3,500 revs going fucking screaming, but didn't slow down, so not there.
Whew! Nice work.
Done. Enjoy that beer this afternoon. Howdy ho.
Orchid Beach. Left Orchid Beach, picked up some beers. Now we're heading to Champagne Pools. We are at Champagne Pools. Supposed to be pretty awesome. Dog crossing. You get him?
Right. We've got a full-on day today of fun and adventure. Oh, I nailed that part. And we've come down for a rinse off and a freshen up. Wash the salt water off in our new favourite Little watering hole down here. Freshwater lake. It's absolutely magic hour. Look at that sun coming through there. Entire place to ourselves.